So, our guest today at the ADC DX is Rebecca Swift from Getty Images. And we like to ask you, could you shortly introduce yourself to our readers and summarize your topic of today?
Yes, my name is Rebecca Swift and I work for Getty Images in the creative department. And the topic I spoke on today was the effects of social media on commercial imagery.
Very nice. How does Getty Images react to that topic in general?
We've had to react to it, to be honest. Social media has had a huge impact on advertising and commercial imagery in general, and it's changed the way that we take in images ourselves as an image company, and it's changed the style of photography that we're actually shooting too.
Okay, and last but not least, could you tell us some differences between iStock and Getty Images?
They're the same company. iStock was the first crowdsourced image website, which was started in Calgary by a group of designers who wanted to share their images for a very cheap amount of money, and it became this massive global phenomenon, which is now part of Getty Images. They came to us in 2006 to help grow the business even bigger, and it's now fully integrated into Getty Images. And it's basically it's the crowd, it's the community, it's an amazing group of photographers, videographers, illustrators who all come together to create content. And so there's not a huge difference in terms of kind of amateur versus professional on iStock and Getty, but iStock is the community, whereas Getty tends to be very professional, high-end premium photography and photographers. Yeah.
So I guess in iStock is there's more feedback to it, and at Getty Images there's actually the selling of the pictures, right?
Well, they're both very, very similar actually in that regard. What happened with iStock was it became it was obviously enabled by technology. Contributors were able to upload whatever they wanted. There was very little editing, whereas Getty Images is highly edited. We have a huge team of people who are editing that content. It's much more curated, and so obviously you get a broader range of subject matter on iStock. Anyone can be an iStock contributor, whereas if you want to be a Getty Images contributor, you have to go through a process and be accepted. There are similarities and differences. The great thing about iStock, because I spend most of my time working with the iStock community, is that they are very giving to each other. You know, they share knowledge and tech advice, and and it's all very kind of social media based. A lot of the conversations happen in the social media space, whereas with Getty it tends to be a one-on-one relationship that we have with the contributors.
Okay. Thank you very much, Rebecca Swift, and that's it. Short and and fun. Thank you very much.